Welcome to motherhood, y'all! Isn't it amazing how these tiny humans just steal your heart from the very first moment? I remember those early days with my babies like it was yesterday. The overwhelming love, the constant feedings, the endless diaper changes. It's a whirlwind for sure, but oh so precious. That first month is all about bonding with your little one. They're completely dependent on you for everything, and you're learning to read their every cue. Your little one is already recognizing your voice and scent, creating a bond that will last a lifetime. Can you believe it's already been a month since your little bundle of joy arrived? Time flies when you're head over heels in love. Your 1-month-old is still getting used to life on the outside, but they're already growing and changing so much. Right now, your baby's world revolves around eating, sleeping, and cuddling. And let's be honest, those are some pretty great things to revolve around. But remember, every baby grows at their own pace. So don't fret if your little one is a little ahead or a little behind the curve. So soak up all those sweet newborn snuggles, mama. These moments are fleeting. 2 months old, can you believe how quickly it's going? Your little one is becoming more and more aware of the world around them, and their personality is starting to blossom. Get ready for lots of smiles, coos, and those adorable baby gurgles that just melt your heart. One of the most exciting milestones this month? Those first real smiles. It's like the sun just peeked out from behind the clouds. They're starting to realize that you're the best thing since sliced bread. Well, since milk anyway. And those gummy grins are their way of showing it. Your little one might even start to recognize familiar faces and voices besides your own. 3 months old! You've officially survived the 4th trimester, mama. Give yourself a pat on the back. You deserve it. Your little one is becoming quite the charmer, flashing those irresistible smiles and maybe even letting out a giggle or two. This month is all about exploration and discovery. Your baby's eyesight is improving and they're starting to see the world in full color. They're fascinated by everything around them, the ceiling fan, the rustling leaves outside the window, even their own hands. They're also becoming quite the little copycat, trying to imitate the sounds they hear you make. 4 months old. Where does the time go? Your little one is growing up so fast, transforming right before your very eyes. This month, get ready for some serious cuteness overload as your baby starts to giggle, roll over, and explore the world with all their senses. Rolling over is a major milestone this month, and it's so much fun to watch your little one figure it out. 1 minute they're on their back, the next they're on their tummy, looking all surprised and proud of themselves. Don't worry if they haven't quite mastered the art of rolling over yet. It's different for every baby. Those little gums might be starting to feel a little sore as those first teeth start to make their appearance. A teething ring or a cold washcloth can work wonders to soothe those sore gums. 5 months old. Your little one is well on their way to becoming a pro at this whole baby thing. This month is all about gaining more independence, sitting up with support, reaching for toys, and maybe even babbling up a storm. Remember those sweet coos and gurgles? They're evolving into full-blown babbling sessions now. Your little one is starting to experiment with different sounds and syllables. Cherish these moments, mama. Your little one is growing up right before your eyes. 6 months old, half a year old already. It feels like just yesterday you were bringing your tiny newborn home from the hospital. Your little one is becoming quite the independent little explorer, experimenting with new foods, finding new ways to move around, and charming everyone they meet. Speaking of moving around, your little one might be well on their way to mastering the art of crawling or scooting. Time to start baby-proofing if you haven't already. And there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible first 6 months of your baby's life. It's amazing how much they grow and change in such a short amount of time, isn't it? 1 minute they're these tiny, helpless newborns, and the next they're rolling, babbling, and eating solids like little pros. Watching your baby grow and develop is one of the most rewarding experiences in life. But it's not without its challenges. There will be sleepless nights, endless diaper changes, and moments when you feel like you're losing your mind. So soak up all those baby snuggles, celebrate every milestone, and don't forget to take care of yourself along the way.